Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya, for those of you that are new and viewing. Today I'm installing a wig from Asteria hair. Here's the beautiful light blue packaging box. I think this box is gorgeous. It's giving a little bit of luxury. Here's the wig. Before I put the wig on, I want to see what else is in here. So they give you the nice packaging bag to keep your hair in. They give you a HD cap, edge band, edge brush, lashes, and this is some tape that you can use to install your wig to hold it in place. I'm not going to use the tape. I'll probably just use the hairspray instead. But I am going to use this edge band. Now, I don't remember what style wig we agreed on when I was communicating with the company. So I'm excited to see what it is. I think it might just be like a kinky straight. It is not kinky straight, y'all. I forgot about this hairstyle. Look at it pre-styled. What? Oh my goodness. Wait a second. They even got the zigzags in the front. Wait a minute. Now I think I done seen about 2 girls
on TikTok
with this hairstyle. So I'm excited to try this, actually. The baby hairs look a little bit long for me, so I don't think I'm going to do them being that long, but that's besides the point. So I do appreciate the fact that they put a nice stretchable yet adjustable elastic band in here, so you can adjust it and make it as tight as you need it to. They give you some combs, one in the back, and then they have 2 in the front that are right behind the lace. This is a lace frontal because it's all the way around. And then it looks like you just have to do a little trimming to the lace, just a little bit. I do think I need to add, it's kind of stiff. I think I'm gonna go add some lace tint to the lace. It definitely is gonna need some lace tint. Be right back. I did the lace tint, but I might have been a little heavy-handed. God, it's so cute. Oh, it's long on these ear tabs. I have to do a little cut once I get it glued down. Ooh, and why it looks so natural. I'm questioning it. I'm questioning it. I'm questioning it. It looks so much better. I like it like that. That's a lot better. spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I love that I didn't have to do anything to this. So let me scoot back so you guys can see how long it is. Now it's straight. It comes out of the packaging straight, but I have this big barrel curling wand here. I kind of want to add some loose curls to the ends because I'm not really a fan of straight hair. I feel like this style would be really cute with some nice little curls right here at the ends. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on conduct, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my and then a little up close. Final look-see with my loose curls. I like the loose curls better. I feel like it gives it another little extra vibe since all of this is so straight and sleek, and then adding these little loose little wave curls here gives it a little shush, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, this is the final look. I mean, I feel like the wig speaks for itself. Overall, 10 out of 10 wig. It was super easy to install. It looks cute and unique. Gives you a different hairstyle instead of wearing it with just a straight part. They gave you some little zigzags in the front, your baby hairs, the braid, pull back in the ponytail. And the reality is, you guys, if you get tired of wearing it like this, it's a wig. It's human hair. It's just styled. If you want to take it all out and just wear the hair normal, you can do that too. So I probably won't be taking this loose because I know I wouldn't be able to style it back like this. So if you somebody like me who can't braid or can't be as you know, creative as this is, leave her be and wear it like this. Nice and full wig, very spacious. I love a good human hair unit. And she's fire. You know what I'm thinking is probably buying like some 613 clip-ins and clipping it through the hair so it can brighten it up for the summer. I think that would be really cute for this hairstyle, and it keeps it out of your face. That's another plus. So 10 out of 10. Shout out to Asteria Hair. If you guys are interested in it, it's going to be in my description bar below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Asteria Hair for sending this unit over, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.